Good morning, the illegal garage. I don't know if you have seen INFINITYBOX LLC is coming up with an updated system of mine, the second generation or third, whatever it is. So I was just wondering, just sitting here, because there's some features that I haven't used fully in my car, and that's the remote. I didn't understand it at first with the different pages, but I was just sitting here on my garage just watching a movie, and I was playing with the remote. I just want to show the features on this system. That is the previous version. They have a new version now, and it's pretty cool. So this is the remote. This is the out of the box programming, which is pretty enable security, disable security, headlights, and my car is headlights, and parking lights. So this is the remote. It's a little bit different than in the picture, but it's pretty much the same. So according to this, pressing the lock button is gonna lock my car. There, one flash. So the car is electrically locked. Nobody can start it without the key. You can see the security light is flashing, that red light I put in my dash. So pressing the unlock button is gonna be two flashes of the lights. So there it is, and security light is not flashing anymore. So now we continue. This button, this one right here, is supposed to turn on my headlights, and there they are. See, all with the remote you can turn on your headlights. And with this button, supposed to be parking lights, this button right here. So we're gonna press it. There they are. Parking lights are running. So now we turn off the parking lights. So now with one click of this little button down here, supposed to be ignition, four-way flashers, fan override, and panic switch, which is panic button. Which ignition I try and it's not working because I'm using the button. I'm not using the regular key and ignition. So I'm using a one push start, so this is disabled for me. And the panic button, it works. I'm not gonna do it right now because it's night and I don't want to piss off the neighbors. So with this, the panic button, all the lights go on and the horn goes on. So let's do the one click and then try the four-way flasher. So one click and four-way flashers. You see, they are working. So we go again, one click and turn them off. So now let's see the fan override. I haven't tried that one. So it should be one click and then press the trunk button and the fan should come on. So we go one click and fan, and you can hear the fan running. Again, we go one click and turn off the fan. So then again with two clicks, these are inputs, and input one, mine is set to heated seat, so If I do 2 clicks and this button, I'm gonna turn on the heated seats, and then 2 clicks and this button, mine is gonna turn on the radio. 2 clicks and this button, mine is gonna do the wipers, and 2 click and this button. My car used to have a carburetor. Input 17 was the choke, but it's not there anymore since I have the sniper. So input 17 is open right now. There's nothing connected to it. I can do whatever I want with that one in the future. And then with 3 clicks, everything is empty. There is nothing programmed to those. So this is just a little overview of the INFINITYBOX smart wiring system. The previous version, they have a new version coming, but like I said, I hadn't done this fully, and it's actually pretty cool that you get modern features on your older car. That's it for now. If you have any questions or any comments, please post them below. Reach out to Jay Harris on INFINITYBOX LLC if you are interested in their new version of their smart wiring system. Bye.